Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Affinity Photo, how to show grid. I will create new document, click File, go to New, and we use default template settings, click Create. If you want to show grid, you can go to View menu and check for Show Grid to be automatically appear in your area. And if you want to settings the grid size, go to View again, and then click on Grid and Axis Manager. In here you can set into basic, and you can set spacing at this point. Like we can increase this, it more bigger for grid in your canvas, or you can decrease to make it more small. If you done, you can close this dialog box. Okay, that's it for basic Affinity Photo, how to show grid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.